Alright guys, welcome to my channel. This is Devi and I've come back with another crypto video about a smart contract called Troncase. And as I promised you guys, I'm documenting my journey in this smart contract, and this is my day number 7. So 2 days ago I was on day number 5. This is my channel. As you can see, I had so far earned 2,319 TRX, which was equivalent to 150 US dollars, depending on that rate that was on that day. So today, this is day number 7, and I would just want to show you my earnings as per day number 7. So this is my back office. As you can see now, I'm earning 2.5% a day. Because this is a cumulative of basic rewards of 1%, hold bonus of 0.5%, contract bonus of 0.2%, leadership bonus of 0.5%, and also community bonus of 0.3. So if you add all these 5, you get 2.5%. So what I have as available withdrawal balance is 3,716 Tron, which I can easily withdraw. If I'm to convert this, it is 3716. Let us see how much I've accumulated now. 37 what? 16. So I've accumulated around 244 US dollars in my 7-day journey in Troncase. So if we are to check the Tron scan, the contract is doing healthy. This is the contract, and it is having 84 million Tron, which is equivalent to 5.3 million US dollars. So it is doing very well, and the number of people in the contract are increasing. I've also managed to bring in 6 people in my 7 days in the contract, and I've been rewarded with 418 TRX, which has been sent directly to my wallet. So guys, this contract is doing very well. If you're free to join, if you have some Tron, you can get started with as low as 100 TRX, and you can easily 3x that amount with the daily rewards. So guys, that is my day number 7, and I've so far earned 244 US dollars. So if you have some Tron and would like to join, I'm leaving my link in the description. I'm also leaving the link of our team Facebook group. You can join the group and see whatever is going on, and also I'm gonna leave the link of the Telegram channel. You can follow it and see whatever is going on in the smart contract. So guys, that's it. See you in the next video.